Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of friendly dinosaurs. They were called Dino and his friends. Dino was a kind and curious young dinosaur with bright blue scales, and he loved exploring and making new friends. One sunny morning, Dino woke up early, feeling excited about the day ahead. He gathered his friends, Terra the Triceratops, Stego the Stegosaurus, and Brachie the Brachiosaurus. They were all different types of dinosaurs, but they were the best of friends. Dino and his friends set off on an adventure, looking for a legendary treasure that was rumored to be hidden deep within the forest. They followed an old map they found, and as they journeyed, they encountered many fascinating creatures and breathtaking landscapes. On their way, they met Terry the
pterodactyl, who offered to give them a bird's eye view of the forest. With Terry's help, Dino and his friends soared high above the treetops, marveling at the magnificent sights below. They saw sparkling waterfalls, colorful flowers, and even a volcano in the distance. As they landed near the volcano, they noticed something unusual. It seemed like the volcano was about to erupt. The ground shook, and hot lava started spewing out. Dino and his friends knew they had to act quickly to keep themselves and the other creatures safe. Working together, Dino, Terra, Stego, Brachie, and Terry used their unique abilities to come up with a plan. Terra used her sturdy horns to clear a safe path for everyone to escape. Stego used his spiky tail to create a barrier, protecting the smaller creatures. Brachie used her long neck to warn others and guide them to safety. And Terry flew above, calling out directions and making sure everyone was out of harm's way. Their teamwork paid off, and they successfully led all the animals to a safe place. The forest creatures cheered and thanked Dino and his friends for their bravery and quick thinking. Feeling accomplished, Dino and his friends continued their adventure, now more determined than ever to find the hidden treasure. They followed the map's clues, solving puzzles and overcoming obstacles along the way. They encountered playful raptors, friendly herbivores, and even a family of adorable baby dinosaurs. Finally, after much perseverance, Dino and his friends reached the treasure's secret location. They discovered a hidden cave filled with shimmering crystals and ancient artifacts. But the real treasure wasn't gold or jewels, it was the memories they had made together and the friendships they had forged. As they headed back home, Dino and his friends realized that the true adventure was not in finding treasures, but in the experiences they had and the friendships they had formed. They knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would always be there for each other. And so, Dino and his friends returned to their forest, ready to embark on new adventures and create more wonderful memories together. Their story reminded everyone that friendship, teamwork, and a little bit of curiosity could make even the biggest adventures possible.